Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and we're here at the launch of the TS20. Dan, we've been talking about surveying and machine control, De Morgan, you're from, for a long time. What about this new technology and obviously the new backpack that it comes in? What's it going to do for you guys?
It's considerably better than the TS16 that's currently out there now. It's better on all fronts. Obviously we've all had the issues with the weather, the security side of things, and this just looks better all round. It's really impressive. It's got a new backpack which is pretty cool as well. It's black, which is different to a red box.
Yeah.
The security side is really impressive. A new app. We're used to the Trackimo side of things, but everything all round here looks really good.
And you're talking about speed and accuracy, and they were demonstrating today a lot of different sensors, prisms, and even stick-on targets and things like that, and how that total station can lock onto them. That sort of speed when someone is trying to do something on site is important, but got to be with accuracy as well, hasn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. What's impressive is they've now got AI built in, so it's able to understand that it's not targeting the right target or right prism. And it'll come up on screen to show you, saying, look, we don't think you're hitting the right target here, are you sure? Because we think it's this, and you have that opportunity to change that. It looks like it's going to be a lot more efficient with the AP20 as well, which is impressive. We've currently got AP20s in our fleet with TS16s, but it looks like it's going to be a lot more efficient, a lot more responsive, which I think will make a massive difference as well.
And so if we were to take this one off the stand here, put it in the backpack and start running away, the brand new security system is going to alert us, and they can even literally flick a switch and completely immobilize it like your iPhone.
Absolutely.
Why is that important when you're on site and making sure that theft is reduced, but also the deterrent, isn't it?
Yeah, well, security's high on our agenda all the time. We've got a big fleet, and all of our projects have a lot of surveying equipment, machine control equipment, and we do our absolute best. But knowing that we've got the tracker built into new instruments going forward, and obviously more of the Leica products being able to have the same features going forward, it will make a massive difference to us, and at least we know that we can lock something, and hopefully that deterrent will stop theft throughout the industry, really.
And I think that's a big thing for the industry, but also allowing you to see literally where your kit is, because you say you've got a lot of it. And when you need a total station somewhere else, where is the fleet at the moment? That's really crucial, isn't it?
Absolutely, it is, yeah.
Great to see you again, Dan, and hope to see you on site with one of the new ones. Cheers.
Get my hands on one, thanks.